So here's the first stage dryer for drying your air off of your compressor. So you got a screw compressor, it just came on, and it goes through your first stage. This is a refrigerated drying. So this dehumidifies by using a tube with frozen, basically refrigerant, almost for really cold below the dew point, to remove the water in your first stage. The desiccant material and then the mechanical filters are second stage. And over here, like this really big expense, so this is like $15,000. And I was looking at this and I see where it's coming down at right here. It's no longer removing water, which I kind of suspected. And this is also what I find. They buy these when they're brand new, they never service them, and then they're running, it's getting hot, the fan is running, the heat is just baking, that little compressor is baking hot, but no more water is coming out. And this is for the guys who say you can use shop compressed air. And this is a multi-million-dollar facility. Good luck with that. And a do-it-yourself is gonna buy one of these? I don't think so. A nitrogen bottle and a regulator, that's all it takes.